Okay, I really hope this is gonna work out because this is like the third time I'm recording this. But how are you all doing today? My name is Trey, and as you all know, I do run a lot of bots. One thing that I think is a big portion when it comes to running bots, especially a lot of them, is sometimes you will need to rent something else. May not have what you need in your setup, and you will need that extra bot. And that is where the importance of bot rentals truly does come from. The ability to rent bots is so nice because sometimes you may not want to fork out that extra cash for what you're looking to get, especially if it's like a Kodai or a Cyber, where those are like 5.5K at the moment. So that is why I decided to partner with Splash Station. They are a premier and very high-end bot rental company, as they make the process super easy for you all and super secure. Another one of the reasons why I did partner with them is sometimes I will see people rent these bots from these people on certain servers, and next thing you know, no key comes with it. Or I've even seen sometimes, maybe with like certain rentals, the person who's renting out the bot will throw in a server, but what the person doesn't know who's renting it is a keylogger on the server. So let's say if they happen to go onto their Discord, that server then tracks that information, logs into the Discord after they are finished, and then swipes all their keys. For those two reasons, I decided to partner with Splash Station, as I truly do think they are the premier and best option for you all when it comes to renting bots. I'm now going to throw it over to the computer portion of the video just so I can show you all how this all truly does work. There also may be a discount code in the description below, so do be sure to use that when you do choose to rent from Splash Station. I hope you all do well in these drops, and I will see you all in the rest of the video. Alright, so the overall process when it comes to renting is super easy from Splash Station. They make it very simple. So when you first get into the server, you will obviously see the rules channel. Be sure to read this, as you do not want to be kicked for any of these reasons, obviously. Now, for the actual rental process, you would come right here to where it says rental prices and release dates. This right here shows you all the upcoming releases. And then if you come to the channel here, the custom rentals, this is where you would, let's say, you could possibly rent a bot for, let's say, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or a month, or however long you would need it for. If you would like to do this, you would easily just click on the open ticket section. You would then obviously look, so you would say, okay, I need to rent a bot. So you would choose bot. If you need, let's say, help, so let's say you rent Cyber and you have a question on something, you would hit the help section, and let's say if you win a giveaway, boom, you would just hit that giveaway button right there. They make it very simple. They also do take a lot of different payment methods. They take, from what I can remember off the top of my head, PayPal, Zelle, and Cash App. I think they take Revolut for my EU people, I think, but do not quote me on that. They also do offer weekly rentals, and the most popular being specific drop rentals. So for instance, for the tie-dyes, I personally rented Toru. So all I had to do was click on the open ticket section. I went here. Once I opened up a ticket, I then told him what bot I wanted to rent and for what drop. Right after that, he told me, okay, I can get you the bot 24 hours ahead of time. And I said, okay, that is perfectly fine. He sent me all the payment methods. I sent him the money on PayPal. And then if I go here, I will show you all how the bot will be sent to you. So as you can see here, the DimeLA will DM you just about all the information you will need. So first, it'll have the bot you rented. It'll then have the download link. It'll give you some other stuff here, and then the rental key is, well, they will send it to you, or it'll already be there. That is all you really need to know for Splash Station. They make it super easy, and the pricing is great. You never have to worry about possibly having, let's say, your information taken or you even getting scammed. They make it super easy, and I highly suggest you all use them, as they are the new channel sponsor. I hope you all really did enjoy this tutorial, and be sure to really cook it up this weekend on all the releases. I will see you all in the next one, guys.